Hello lovely viewers and welcome back to Dove Facts channel. Today, we're diving into the world of seafood delicacies, focusing on the humble yet magnificent scallops. We'll explore why incorporating scallops into your diet can be a game changer for your health, but also why moderation is key. So, let's shell out the details. First off, why should scallops be a regular feature on your plate? Well, these delectable shellfish are a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, scallops are low in fat and high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. But here's the kicker: moderation matters. While scallops offer numerous health benefits, like any food, overindulgence can lead to issues. High levels of cholesterol and sodium in scallops mean that they're best enjoyed in moderation to maintain a balanced diet. Now, who can enjoy these succulent treats? Well, the good news is that scallops are suitable for most diets. They're a fantastic option for seafood lovers and are particularly beneficial for those looking to increase their protein intake without loading up on calories. However, individuals with shellfish allergies should steer clear, as scallops belong to the shellfish family. Always consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or dietary restrictions. Now, let's talk recipes. Scallops are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in various mouth-watering ways, from searing and grilling to baking and broiling. Whether you're cooking for yourself or the whole family, there's a scallop dish to suit every taste bud. But beyond the culinary delights, sharing a scallop feast with your loved ones fosters precious moments of family bonding. Gathering around the table to savor a delicious meal creates lasting memories and strengthens the family bond. So, dear viewers, as you embark on your culinary adventures with scallops, remember the golden rule: moderation is key. Pair your seafood indulgence with a healthy, active lifestyle to reap the maximum benefits for your body and mind. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tantalizing tips on living your best, healthiest life. Until next time, stay well, stay active, and keep spreading the love through good food and family bonding. Bye for now.